Welcome to Asim. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to create a simple HTTP server with Python. We are going to import from HTTP server, import HTTP server. This http.server.http server. This class represents the HTTP server and handles the incoming requests. Then we are going to have simple HTTP request handler. This is a subclass of base HTTP request handler that handles GET and HEAD requests, providing the functionality of a basic HTTP server for sharing static files. Now we are going to add our main. Set the server address. Localhost and the port number. With HTTP server, we are going to pass in server address and a simple HTTP request handler. As server, just gonna copy from here so there are no mistakes. And now we are just going to print a message that server is listening. I'm going to pass in server address. And we are going to call server dot serve forever. So the server will keep on running. And that's it. It's very simple. Now we just need to run this code and open a browser. And we can see this message: server started on localhost and the port 8000. Now we can go to the browser and go to this address. Localhost colon 8000 and hit enter. And it shows the directory listing where our server is running. So this is very basic HTTP server. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.